Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this DevExpress section we are going to check XtraMessageBox. It is a little bit different than the traditional Windows message box. For example, if we let's put first a simple button, and that's another one. Here I will say Windows message box, and here I will say extra message box dev. Let's put the DevExpress before DevExpress, and we can name these buttons say btn win message box, and then another one I will say btn DevExpress message box. Let's say like this. First, traditionally for Windows, because the only difference, all DevExpress components are looking much more better, much more professional for us. That's why people, they use it in like a professional projects or companies. They use this one, not only because there is a Telerik and other also there are many. So let's first, for the Windows, let's double click here this one. Traditionally we say message box dot show. It shows us the message box. First is our text. For example, I say, are you sure to close? For example, I say something like this. And the second one is a caption. I say, here we'll say closing the message box. And then what else we have? We have buttons here. We can choose button, let's say yes or no. And what else we have it? We have an icon for this one. Let's choose warning. That's our traditional like Windows. Let's run it and try it how it is functioning. As you see that this is our text, closing message box is our caption, and message box buttons is yes or no, and we have a warning here, this icon. Let's do for the DevExpress. Let's double click it. Or DevExpress, we say XtraMessageBox show. First one is our text. We can, for example, copy this one, copy, and here we say paste, and the second one we have yes or no, and then we have warning icon. Let's first do this one. Let's look at the differences. This is DevExpress, as you see that, and also according to the, for example, if you change the skin, and this also will be changed. Let's see, and come the form. Here I select skin, and here I choose, for example, let's say max skin, and let's find it. As you see that this is the same as Windows, like only has one skin, is main skin, always show us the same view. And as for the DevExpress, you see that is changing. And what else we have here? Also after warning For example, here we have a message box button, default button, button 1. This is, for example, if we have, in this case, we have yes or no. If you want our like a no button to be focused, then we choose button 2. Let's run it. As you see that it is focused on no. And if I change it button 1, as you see that now the yes is focused. And also, for example, here we have 3 buttons. We have a button 3, but when we choose the button 3 here, we should give like 3 options: yes, no, and cancel. And let's run it. You see that? Maybe instead of warning, we can give something more better looking. Information. Let's see how it is looking. See something like this. Anyway, that's all about XtraMessageBox. And also based on the yes or no, we can give some messages. For example, here this show button, it returns a dialog result. We'll do like this. I will say var dialog result equal, then here I will put a statement. I will say if dialog result equal dialog result yes, then I will say else if dialog result equal dialog result no, and then I will say else if dialog result equal dialog result cancel. And what we are going to do, maybe we want to change these captions for form 1. I will say yes, no, or cancel. So if it is yes, I will say this. This means this form, you cannot even write this. You can just write a text. It's the same thing. But I prefer to write this. Text. What we say, we'll write yes. Let's copy this one. Here. When we click no, it will write no. And when we click cancel, it will write cancel. Let's run it how it is functioning. For example, here I want to choose the cancel. As you see that it cancel. No. Yes. Anyway guys, see you in next video. Please, if you like my channel,